Hey, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube video. In this video, if you see, we have one problem statement on the community. Create an SharePoint video transcript by using Power Automate Flow. So this person, okay, let's say zoom it out for you. He wants to create an transcript for his SharePoint files, okay. So let's say show you in the short what he wants, okay. So you can go through problem statement. I will attach the link in the description box. Yeah. So we are solving this problem. Okay. So in our SharePoint document library, any MP4 file is present. Okay. For that MP4 file, he want an transcripts. Okay. So you can see Copilot 1, Copilot 2, Copilot 3. This transcript he needs. Okay. So for testing purpose, let's say delete this and let's we run our flow one time. 7 test. So let's wait for our flow to run to see can we able to generate the transcript file or not. Okay. So our flow is running. In the meantime, if we see, he highlighted as well, he created an MS support ticket, but the product is not feasible and they not address the issue. Okay. So this is very important. Like video, okay, it is covering complex scenario, how to solve and how to troubleshoot this type of issues. So our flow is running now. Okay, you can see. I will zoom it for you. Oh, so our flows run successfully. You can see very small flow I created. Okay, and if I go and refresh it here, so whatever transcript is present in Copilot Studio 1, we are getting here. You can see everything in the text format. If I go in the document and if I open this video, so it is opening in the MS streams. Okay, and here you can see we have docs and VTT file, and here is we having the text. So all this text we just store in this text file. So let's jump how to create this. Okay, so for you I created one blog as well. Okay, so blog link is also available in the description box. You can go and check it out from there. So everything is mentioned here how to automatically create. Okay, each and every step, what problem statement we are solving, business requirement, solution architecture, prerequisites, and each stepwise guidance as well, how to troubleshoot, how to fix the issues, and how to create the flow as well. So let's go to our Power Automate flow and let's understand what we are doing. Okay, so this is our run history, and in second tab I am opening the flow in the edit mode so we can view that properly. So it is loading, so let's wait. Okay, so I'm opening the flow in the edit mode. Let's say minimize this and increase the size of my. Okay, 100 is sufficient, I guess. 120 I will do it for you. Okay, good. So I am using here manual trigger flow, but any trigger you can use according to your scenarios. So get file properties, whichever files present in our document library. Okay, all files we are fetching including transcript as well. Okay, if nested files is also present, you can use this option here, include nested items. Okay, if it is true, then it will go and fetch all the document. If you want only from the specific folder, so you can limit it from here and retrieve that information only. If you're having some filter queries, you can apply in the get file properties, so you will get only that data. How much you want that information, you can add it here. So in the filter query, um, uh, let's I show you in the run history so you will understand what we are getting. So output, let's say open the output. So this is output we are getting in the our get file properties. Okay, so from this we just want the mp4. Okay, mp4 files. So this one identifier mp4. Okay, as well as if we go and see the name. Okay, here the name with extension, it is mp4. So we are just filtering this. Okay, if we see here, with extension, file name with extension, end with mp4. If it is present, we are getting an array. So let's see what type of array we are getting. So here you can see this array we are getting. So let's say I open the notepad for you and showcase you how it will look like. So this is an array that we need. Okay. So to you, all the mp4 files are present only. We filter the data, so our count is reduced now. We don't have a lot of data now. So from this, we need the driver ID and driver item ID. So in the our filter action array, okay, at the bottom you can see we have the driver ID and driver item ID. So this information is need. Okay, driver ID means our doc library's ID. Okay, so whichever library you are using, that ID here we need to use. Um, so I am my files are all stored in the document library. So if you have the another library, okay, other libraries, okay, like Outlook, email, PDF, so that drive ID is different. To fetch that dynamically, we use the we are fetching from here itself, okay, as well as driver item ID. This is also unique. We are fetching it here. So now all good. So we have the driver ID as well as the driver item ID. And driver item ID is unique for all the records. If you see, for first one is it different. If I go for the next record, driver item ID is different, but driver ID is same because it is list. So what expression I have used here? Let's say open apply to each body, and simply I'm using items apply to each question mark driver ID, and here question mark driver item ID. I'm using this curly brackets as well, which your name is provided by Microsoft by schema to us. I'm using same one. So then I am using the this endpoint, okay, API v2 2.0 drives output item, okay, this is driver and this is driver item ID and transcript. So what it is do, so it will fetch our transcript ID, okay, so that we need. So here you see transcript, we need the transcript ID. Stream content we need in the JSON, okay, and this if you not include this apply highlights false, media edit false, that is also fine. So this is second endpoint we hit here, and then headers body we not pass, okay, we are just formatting the output which we are getting. So if we see here the first output, so here we have the ID. So this ID is unique for each record, so that's why we are doing the two SharePoint call here, not a single one. So here you if you want the which language it want, so we have the language tag as well. By using that you can filter it. Now let's go for the second one. So in the second one, we have the all the information. If I open this in the notepad, so you will identify this. Yeah. So here you can see we have the all the information here. Now I simply just parse JSON doing, okay, and selecting the only the text here, and then I'm creating the file. That's all about friends. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring.